What if one product photo could become an entire marketing campaign? No content team, no expensive equipment, just one image and the right AI workflow. Today I am showing you exactly how to turn a single product photo into a complete content library using AI Image with GPT Image 2.0 and AI Video with Seedance 2.0 inside CapCut PC. If you are a creator, small business owner, or marketer struggling with content volume, this workflow changes everything. Here is the real problem. You need product photos, short videos, social media posts, promotional materials, and different versions for different audiences. Creating all of that manually takes enormous time. This is where CapCut PC becomes powerful. Instead of creating from scratch, you expand one asset into an entire content library using two tools: GPT Image 2.0 for image generation and Seedance 2.0 for AI video. One application. Complete production pipeline. I am starting with one simple product, a clean water bottle on a white background. Exactly the kind of basic image any small business already has. Watch what happens inside CapCut PC. Opening AI Image with GPT Image 2.0. Luxury style dark marble surface. Dramatic spotlight. Sophisticated atmosphere. Holiday style warm golden bokeh lights. Festive celebration mood. E-commerce style clean crisp presentation optimized for shopping platforms. Outdoor adventure style rocky mountain surface, golden hour landscape, lifestyle aesthetic, futuristic style neon environment, electric blue and purple reflections, cyberpunk aesthetic, social media style bright, vibrant flat lay, colorful elements, highly shareable Instagram quality. Different audiences respond to different styles. Instead of guessing which one works, you create all of them in one session. Now the impressive part. Each generated image goes into AI video powered by Seedance 2.0 and becomes a cinematic video clip. The luxury image transforms into a slow camera orbit around the bottle with light sweeping across the surface and condensation droplets trickling down in slow motion. The outdoor version gets natural environmental motion light shifting across the mountain landscape, atmospheric depth building. The minimalist version gets a clean, slow camera push with soft light drifting across the frame. Each image becomes a different video asset ready to post immediately across every platform. Then text to video. I type a scene description: a premium water bottle on a rocky cliff edge at sunrise, golden light breaking across the horizon, mist in the valley below, slow cinematic drone shot descending toward the product. Seedance 2.0 generates the entire scene from one sentence. No product image needed, no filming required. A complete cinematic brand moment from text alone. Now transitions. Most creators want high-end visual effects but assume they need advanced software skills. Inside CapCut PC, you generate custom transitions directly using AI. Premium light sweep. Elegant energy flow. Dramatic product reveal. And the object explosion effect. The product shatters outward in slow motion with particles flying in every direction. The kind of effect you see in high-budget brand campaigns. Generated in seconds with zero technical skills. Reuse them across every future project and build a library of branded transitions that keep your content visually consistent. Everything comes together in the multi-track editor. AI-generated images, Seedance video clips, transition assets, visual effects, text overlays, all in one timeline. No jumping between applications. No exporting and importing. Created and assembled in the same place. Generate multiple versions with different openings, different music, different hooks for testing performance. Major new release Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini has been launched globally, and it will also go live in the US region on June 24. Rendering speed is doubled, with image quality comparable to Seedance 2.0 Fast. As part of a limited time campaign, credit consumption is reduced by 33%, making bulk creation more cost-effective. Finished videos can be directly imported into the PC version of CapCut Professional for editing. Sneak peek: Dreamina Seedance 2.0 4K is on the horizon, featuring native 4K Ultra HD quality. Once generated, videos can be seamlessly transferred to the desktop CapCut Professional version for one-stop post-production editing. Click the link in the description to try CapCut PC and discover a faster AI workflow for your marketing content. See you in the next one.